Electricity has an important role in our daily life. A company, public services, and household is depend on this energy. Have we ever thought where electricity comes from? In Indonesia, company that support and supply the electricity is PT Indonesia Power. Now, we are getting to know about PT Indonesia Power closer, especially Bali Generator Business Unit. If we are visiting PT Indonesia Power Bali Generator Business Unit, we'll find a clean, tidy and green area of working. Since few years ago, PT Indonesia Power UBP Bali gets the Certificate of Environmental Management or ISO 14001. The simple key to keep the certificate of ISO 14001 is write everything that you have done and do everything that you have written. All of the staff and management have the same commitment to take care and operate the generator continuously. And this is already done by Insinyur Marion Sanusi MM, the General Manager of UBP Bali. As we know, UBP Bali is one of the operator of generators. It is controlled by PT Indonesia Power. It supplies the electricity for Bali and connected to Java and Madura Island. In 1973, PLN Pesanggaran sector ran under the PLN Area 11. In 1987, the electricity of Java and Bali was connected by Banyuwangi Gilimanuk undersea cables 150 kV. So, the name became PLN Bali sector under the control of PLN Generator and Distributor of East Java and Bali or PLN KGT. Then, in 1995, it's become the part of PT PLN Java Bali Generator 1 and using the name of PT PLN PGB1 Bali Generator Unit or UBP Bali. During the development and regulation of the electricity system, in October 3, 2000, PT PLN PGB1 Bali Generator Unit changed the name became PT Indonesia Power Business Unit of Bali Generator. PT Indonesia Power UBP Bali runs PLTD and PLTG of Pesanggaran in Denpasar and two sub-units of PLTGU Gilimanuk PLTG of Kemaron, which is included in interconnection electricity power system of Java, Madura and Bali. UBP Bali runs 18 units of generating system. Totally power connected is 431.09 MW, with its netto power ability or DMN is 380.73 MW, and its main production cost is 2,000 per kWh. Before the Bali bomb second on October 1st, 2005, the energy supply ever reached into maximum rate about 410 MW. As we know, the electricity energy supply in Bali is supported by two sea cable which is have maximum capacity about 210 MW. Its operating system is controlled by PT PLN P3B Bali sub-region and based on the need of Bali subsystem. UBP Bali has 233 employees. To make Bali as bright tourist destination, UBP Bali applied an integrated management system. It is a combination of quality management system of ISO 9001, environmental management system 14001, and safety and healthy working management system or SMK3. UBP Bali also ran the Proper. Proper is controlling environmental program in a company by Environmental Ministry of Indonesia. UBP Bali has applied quality standard, environment and K3 by keeping the zero accident, increase the customer's satisfaction and working with the standard of environmental system. All of the employees working in standard rules of company. They are doing the rules of K3 and environment, doing the MLK3 system, avoiding environment pollution, reducing the using of freon, applying the risk management and improving many aspects continuously. Since 1996 until now, UBP Bali gets a Zero Accident Award. To keep that award, UBP Bali has done giving the regular socialization generally or specifically, setting up the safety working signs, doing sport activities regularly, such as football, tennis, futsal, table tennis, giving lunch and extra fooding, giving health treatment regularly or by accident. The UBP Bali realizes that the business is dedicated to the infrastructure of electricity generator. This infrastructure is needed for supporting the national economic development and people, of course. The main priority is consumer satisfaction in quality. The UBP Bali has done some ways to keep the certificate of quality management or ISO 9001. Checking the machine regularly and periodically, operating machine and other equipment based on SOP and working instruction, improving the unit abilities, and improving human resources quality. To support one of the UBP Bali's vision environmentally friendly, they already done some environmental management, such as completing spiriting system in rubbish spirator, in this case spiriting oil from wasting water in generator machine or fuel tank. Making a special tub for wasting oil and making an open warehouse for wasting material. Build the high smokestacks and hole for controlling the emission gas. Make a suitable drainage. Reduce the using of freon. Maintaining the garden and replanting the empty garden. Making a smoking area and a place for rubbish. And applying community development program for neighboring area. To keep the certificate of SMK3, UBP Bali applies some activities such as giving socialization of K3, giving PMK and PMI training regularly or every 3 months, doing the inspection in working areas and danger potencies, giving facilities of K3, and doing the regular management observation meeting. The other ways to run the SMK3 is form Pay-to-K3 or K3 controller unit. This unit consists of company leader and employees. They will handle the K3 company problems by giving instruction and suggestion which is related to SMK3 mistakes. The main purpose of P2K3 is guarantee the production system running well, safe, efficient, and avoiding fire, explosive, and diseases. P2K3 is very useful for developing K3 unit, increasing the participation of employees to do the K3, making the working area in zero accident and zero diseases caused by the working, and applying a safety working by using self-protection equipment. PT Indonesia Power gets some awards given by Indonesian government, local government, and independent certification organization. Those awards are giving fund for community development always done by UBP Bali every year. It will help UBP Bali in having relation with the people in neighboring area or stakeholder. UBP Bali's community development program covers community services, community empowerment, and community relation. This year, UBP Bali will change the fuel. This changing will save the cost between 50 to 70 billion rupiah per year. The General Manager of UBP Bali also applies the efficiency drive program for unit ability and thermal efficiency through the O&M management. Try to use non-OEM generator spare part always, applying a procurement system for services and equipment buying, and giving word for the innovation team for creating more efficient working and save more administration costs such as telephone bill, photocopy, facsimile, etc. The General Manager of UBP Bali, Mr. Mariun Sanusi, always reminds all of the employees to use paperless system and optimize the using of IT or information technology by opening the My List first. We hope it will reduce the financial rate for PT PLN as the owner of PT Indonesia Power until today.